So today we are going to teach you a placement and stability drill. This will help you with a lot of things, but mostly it will help you with overall placement and technique of your stomach, your passes, your open turns, lots of things. A couple things to remember when you're doing this is number one, always take your time. This exercise is about correcting your own technique and your placement, so make sure that you are moving slowly and not rushing through it. Number two, always have somebody watching you. This exercise will be of no benefit to you if you are doing it incorrectly. So make sure that you have a teacher or an instructor or a peer watching you and correcting you at the same time that you are doing this exercise. Okay, so for this exercise, Ashley is going to start in a parallel sixth position. She's going to have her arms in first, nice and high. And what she's going to do is she's going to take her time, brush her right leg straight out forward, point it, bring it all the way up to the top. She's going to bring it into passe, focusing on keeping that tummy tight, keeping that booty down, and keeping that knee up. And then she's going to bring it right back down to a parallel sixth position. She's going to do this 4 times to the front. From there, she's going to move to the side. She's going to go into a fifth position, and arms are opening up to second. She is brushing straight out, keeping her hip down, her leg out to the side, knee is going towards the ceiling, foot is nice and pointed. From here, she's going to bring it in, thinking about keeping that knee up, and then slide it all the way down back to fifth position. Notice that she's going very slow, and she's really focusing on keeping those ribs closed, that hip down, those hips nice and straight. Very good. She'll do that 4 times on her right side, and then she will do it again with her left, starting forward, and back into sixth position, and then she will do 4 times on her left in second position.
Just make sure throughout this entire exercise, you're really going slow enough to focus on your placement in each position. You're also going to do 3 full sets of this exercise. 1 set equals 4 times front on your right leg, 4 times side on your right leg, 4 times front on your left, and 4 times side on your left.